It looks furious, it looks fluffy, and it looks like it's planning your downfall. But this isn't your house cat. And it's not mad, that's just its face. This is the Pallas cat, a wild feline from Central Asia, famous for its permanently annoyed expression and ridiculously round body. Its fur is thick, some of the densest of any cat on Earth, built for brutal winters in the mountains. But here's the weird part. It sneezes. A lot. Its nose is so short that breathing cold air irritates it constantly. So, while it's stalking prey, it's also trying not to give itself away with a sneeze. It's silent, grumpy, and gloriously floofy.